Say hi to my YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube
You're
dog.
gonna carry on YouTube. I'm gonna quit YouTube.
Hey, don't say that.
Yeah, man. I'm done, bro. I miss you too much, dude.
That's not a good reason to quit.
Yeah, bro. I'm selling everything.
You always do.
Have fun, dude.
Okay. I'll get all the parts. I figured out how to ship.
If you guys need parts from Kota, he's shipping me a bunch of stuff. So
I bought a Randy S14 Koki wing.
for my S14 Koki. No, hey, we're trading, right? I heard you bought parts.
He's crazy. He's already bought parts overseas.
I know, nobody knows. Nobody knows. Shh.
Alright. Talk to you later.
Man.
Peace. Other day, Randy from Illuminate hit me up. Asked me if I can find OEM S14 Koki wing. I don't know why he needs it. Seems like he already has on his other S14, but I found him one, and luckily Japan Post Bank just opened up from today. So I can start sending parts from EMS within 150 centimeter. That's the maximum. But this is within the limit. So I packaged it up. Going to send it out. So if you guys need any parts from Japan, want me to source it out, I can't do any engine, transmission, arrows, but if it's like smaller than like trunk wing, I can ship it. Let me know, guys. We'll see what he's gonna put this on his channel, Illuminate. So we'll wait till he says. I'm here with childhood friend Masa. He just made a YouTube channel. Go check him out. He has real R34 GTR V-Spec. 2 だよね。かっこいい。He's gonna show me his car. Here's the GTT GTR look. That's what I have. But it's the real GTR. Unreal. Similar but so different.
Baby, our love is so blinding. How did we manage to find it? We could never be in hiding. We are a flame meant to be lit. Look at the way that we shine when we're together, you and I. So bright, so bright, so bright. We belong to the sky, to the sky.
これカーボンボンネットだったんだ。
そうだよ。V スペック2純正のやつ。
嘘でしょ。
そうだよ。
純正でカーボン。
そう
カーボン。やば、知らなかった。
これも全部塗り直してもらったの。
In this galaxy.
7:47. I need strong for dinner. So Lino's gonna go
必要
drive
本当に
R34 for me to go get going to 7-Eleven to get strong. Bye bye. 嬉しいんじゃないの？
苦手なの
I already got it warmed up for you. Oh, first time being passenger.
ね本当に嫌なんだけど怖い怖い
最後に運転したのいつマニュアル？
アメリカにいた時
じゃあ数ヶ月だね。
マジで本当にさ坂道発進てか坂道どころじゃないちょっと待って
なんで？
運転しない
あ、そうなの。
遠くない
遠い。
怖い
怖くないでしょ。
怖いやだ本当に怖いやだ遠いセブン
まだ来たな。
誰も来ないでくださいあちゃんの足跡
タラちゃんはサバ絶対やんないね。
なんか低くない
シートが低い。
シート低いよ怖いドキドキしちゃ
中村直樹スタイルですね。ポジションが。
うねえやだ坂道発進じゃん
ああ、頑張ってください。This is pretty
ねえ待って本当にやだ
steep uphill. She's nervous.
ねえ待って後ろにいたねどうするねねえやって
はい、いいよ、もうクラッチつないだきな。マオになるよ。窒息になって入ってないよね。
ねえ怖いしかもなんか夜だから余計ねえ帰り運転してね
なんで？
もう怖いから
もう
え平気でしょ避けなくて
まあ避けてくれた方がありがたいけど。帰るときちょっと並ぶ。 こにバッグ、ここにバッグ。おお、怖いじゃん。見てあげようか、後ろ。待って。はい、OK。
どっちも来たことない。
そうだね。
え？
そうだね。もしもし。